What's up, YouTube? So I'm here with another student. We're gonna run through the driving test real quick. We're at the South Florida DMV location. Nothing much has changed except now they're not doing walk-ins anymore at the DMV. They're taking appointments only. They're still calling you on the phone. You still need someone in the car that's 21 or older. So they're gonna call you on the phone, tell you what to do. The person sitting beside you cannot say a word. Remember that. Alright, so I'm gonna run through this real quick. Get right to the program. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
I turn the steering wheel to the left, away from the curb.
Okay.
Then I put the car in park, pull up my parking brake, then I turn off the ignition.
Cool, nice and clear. So they won't be asking me to repeat it. I'm sure she was clear enough, right? Alright, so now they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. So they're gonna make sure the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horn is working. Again, they will not take you out in a car that those things are not working. So make sure your lights, your horn, all of those things are working before you show up to the DMV with a car to take the test, because you will be very disappointed. Alright, now they're gonna ask you to reverse straight out and go to the left. So look behind you and reverse as you go to the left. And you're gonna reverse until you get to the mirror gets to the end of the line. And you're gonna turn all the way to the right. Look behind you though, don't use the mirror, yeah. About there, you're gonna stop and turn all the way right. Turn the wheel. Right, right, yeah, all the way. Look behind you as you reverse. Okay, that's good. Now they're gonna ask you to pull up to the left, and they'll tell you when to stop. So put the car in drive again. Turn the wheel. Before you move, you turn the wheel, right? Because you see as you move, you're moving towards these cars. So turn the wheel first. Then they're gonna have you pull up a little bit, stop here. Make sure when you stop here, you're perfectly straight. So when you reverse, you go straight back. So now they're gonna tell you to reverse in a straight line. This is for about 30-40 feet, but they will tell you when to stop. Okay, so look behind you and just reverse straight back. Again, if you're straight when you stop, it's very easy to go straight back. So the look behind, release the brake, let it roll until they tell you to stop. Put your hand on the wheel though, don't let it go like that. Alright, so they'll tell you to stop about here. Alright, now they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So speed up and stop when I tell you to stop. Push it down and stop. Okay. Cool, perfect. Now they're gonna ask you to go ahead and make a left turn. So make sure you're signaling just like you're doing. So every time they tell you to make a left, make a right, park, 3-point turn, whatever, make sure you signal. Because if you don't signal, you're gonna lose 4 points for each one. So signal every time. So again, you're gonna be close to the right side. The closer you are to the right here, the better. Just don't hit the curb. And you're gonna line up your mirror. Signal left. We're gonna go up and line up the mirror. Go up a little bit more with the pole. Like that, that's perfect. Signal left. Turn all the way left. And you're going to roll into the parking space. As you get into the middle of the space, you're going to straighten the wheel like here, straighten the wheel, pull straight in. And again, this works perfectly every single time. Okay, stop here. Alright, reverse straight back. And as your mirror past the line, the pole, you're gonna turn all the way right so we can go to the left to do the 3-point turn. Look behind you and turn all the way to the right. All the way right, and you're gonna reverse until your mirror is past the middle. Keep going back. So as soon as your mirror is past the middle like that, you're going to stop Put the car back in drive. Alright. We're gonna pull up next to the line on the right side, because the next thing you're gonna do is the 3-point turn. So pull close to the right. Pull up a little bit more, I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop about here. Now you're gonna do the 3-point turn. So signal left, turn all the way left, and you're gonna go forward. You're gonna stop before you hit the curb. Okay, put it in reverse, all the way to the right. Look behind you, and again you're gonna stop as soon as you mirror it past the center. Put the car in drive again, and we're gonna pull up to the stop sign over there. Alright, we're gonna make a left turn at the stop sign, so signal left and come to a complete stop here. 1, 2, 3. So you're making a left, and then they're gonna tell you to make an immediate left, right? So go straight to your right lane. You look both ways here, by the way, just to make sure there's no cars flying down here or flying around the corner. And you're going to make a left turn here. Again, you signal, perfect. And you just let it roll into the right lane. Right lane. And you straighten up. Go forward and straighten up. Straighten more a little bit over here. And stop about here. So the examiner will walk up. Put the car in park for a second. They'll walk up to you here and hand you the paper that says you passed the test, right? So, how do you think you did on this practice run through?
I did pretty good.
What do you think you would get out of 100?
Probably 90.
I would say 100. No, you really didn't do anything wrong in that run through, right? You got it all perfectly. So you would get 100% on the test, if that was your test.
Okay.
So the idea is we're gonna practice one more time the morning of your test.
Okay.
And I expect you to get 100. I will put that in the description that she got 100, because I'm fairly sure she will. Alright, so let's go down here and turn around the corner, put the car back in drive. Yeah, so again, I'm gonna thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Keep supporting the channel, please. Share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel for those that have not subscribed, because I do have a lot more people watching than subscribing. So do me a favor. Everybody's telling me how helpful the videos are. Subscribe to the channel, please. That helps the situation a lot. Just subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.